Here's a 2015 Chrysler 300. This 300 is a full-size sedan as bold as your personality, with elegance, technology, and safety that goes above and beyond. It's well equipped with the features you need: Garmin integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory steering wheel settings, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.